Let's move on now to our next review, the POCO M3 Pro, most affordable 5G offering from the company. Design is okay. It's a slight bit of a different look. Plastic build, of course. Glossy finish attracts a lot of fingerprints. It's got a nice 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, 90Hz screen refresh rate, MediaTek Dimensity 700 is the SoC, and good gaming performance in this particular system on a chip. Triple camera setup. But the camera is something I was very disappointed with. Very mediocre images. 5000 mAh battery, 18-watt fast charger, but it's priced really well. 13,999 for the base variant.
Xiaomi sets the bar pretty high with its new budget smartphones, and POCO, its sub-brand, has established itself in the Indian market by now, despite having a limited portfolio. Building on that momentum, the company now hopes to wow the audience with a Pro model of the POCO M3. But with many phones also occupying the sub-15K segment, can the POCO truly compete? Let's find out. The design of the POCO M3 Pro 5G is refreshingly new and stands out in a crowded market. The blacked out portion on the upper side of the back panel resembles the camera module design on Samsung's Galaxy S21 series, while the rest is a gradient finish. The back panel and frame are made of plastic, but what annoys us is the glossy finish which catches a lot of fingerprints smudges. The device is not too thick at 8.92mm but feels heavy at 190 gram. Ergonomics are good and the volume and power buttons have good tactile feedback. The basics are covered well by the POCO M3 Pro 5G, as it offers a 3.5mm headphone jack and expandable storage. But do keep in mind the expandable storage can only be accessed if not using a secondary SIM slot. The POCO M3 Pro 5G features a 6.5-inch IPS LCD with Full HD Plus resolution. Pictures and videos look nice, but they lack vibrant colors. That said, it is sharp and smooth and does the job well on most occasions in most outdoor conditions. However, the brightness colors could have been better. The contrast is on the higher side, and that doesn't make for a good streaming experience. The devices feature slim bezels around the front with a punch hole camera, so no antique water drop notch here. Kudos to POCO for pre-applying a plastic screen protector despite baking Gorilla Glass protection. The POCO M3 Pro 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC with 6GB RAM. Daily performance is smooth with no absurd waiting times for apps to load or annoying jitters while scrolling around. The icing on the top is the 90Hz refresh rate, which makes the experience even more smooth and fluid. The gaming performance was good too. Heavy titles ran well, though the graphics quality was limited to medium. The device did get warm after some time of gaming, but this was not too alarming. On the software front, the smartphone runs MIUI 12.0.2 based on Android 11 out of the box. Some system ads within the interface can be found, but the experience is decent with less bloatware and bugs when compared with previous Xiaomi and POCO phones. In terms of camera, POCO has used the same setup as on the POCO M3. It comes with a 48-megapixel main sensor, 2-megapixel macro and depth camera sensor. Most images look quite detailed and sharp with good colors in daylight taken from the primary main shooter. The indoor shots have visible noise both in normal photos and portrait shots. The macro lens does a decent job, but images can have a painting-like effect. What really baffles us is the lack of an ultra-wide sensor, as most people end up using the wide-angle lens more than the macro lens. Coming to the 8-megapixel front camera, the selfies come out well in ideal lighting condition. The 5000 mAh battery on this phone can go up to a day and a half with moderate usage thanks to the variable refresh rate display. But charging the phone wasn't the quickest. The 18-watt charging adapter is slow to charge, and we wish POCO figured out a way to stuff the 33-watt fast charger from Xiaomi. Priced at Rs 15,999, the POCO M3 Pro 5G undercuts the POCO X3 and Redmi Note 10 Pro to emerge as a capable smartphone for gaming enthusiasts on a tight budget. The smartphone brings a 90Hz display, decent Dimensity 700 processor, and design that gives it an edge over competitors. All of this makes the POCO M3 Pro 5G a good option in this category, but not exactly the kind of disruptor we hoped for. Phones such as the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10S and Redmi Note 10 Pro offer much better value with similar performance but way better features.